you get any error kind of thing, you just click on that question mark to give me control to me. Yeah, you can accept it. See, you just click on that error, then you will get the some details. Okay. And also from now onwards, you can start practicing with searching in Google with the error message and all. See, just read that content. You will get some 30 to 40%, sometimes 80% answer. What is that? Maintain tolerance limits for tolerance key VP. The system tried to check whether your entries are within certain tolerance limit. It couldn't do this because the limits for the tolerance key displayed have not been maintained. Your system administrator must enter the tolerance limit for KP. So VP in the DS, your company code, you can maintain the defined tolerance limits. Just click on that. Okay. See, it has directly taken to the maintain tolerance limit configuration, where in invoice verification and set tolerance limit, it has come here, and system has already given the error message. The tolerance key VP, nothing was maintained. And what is your company code? DS65 and VP. Okay, you have not maintained any keys for your DS65. Okay, now what will we do? Take 1000 company code, just maintain whatever is available for 1000, just copy it. According to the requirement, we may change the certain kind of limits and all. Okay, click on copy DS65, DS65. We are maintaining for all the keys. The tolerance limit will be, for example, see here, check limit. You have to check the limit, but the value should be upper limit. More than 2.5, till 2.5 it can be allowed. That is what the mean. Okay. And this one, lower limit and upper limit. If you click on check limit, then only system will check the limit. Otherwise, if you click do not check, it won't check the limit. We can do anything. When you check the limit, see 25% is lower limit and 25% is upper limit. That only will be eligible. There are different keys are there. Mainly we have this VP and DQ. 2-3 important things are there. I explained during invoice verification video about this concept. DS65. DS65. You have to maintain the entries for all of our yeah, this is the one which is giving the error message. See, moving average price variance. What you have done, your material current moving average price and in your PO price was completely different. Okay, that's why system has not able to maintain check the tolerance limit because you have not maintained for your company code. That's why now we have maintained it. See now for upper limit till 25% we can give. For lower limit there is no check, means you can do any lower. Otherwise, if you want to have a lower limit also, you can keep check limit, and 25% also we can keep. That is the business requirement, how they want to handle. Okay, now we have done this. Come back. Now click on check button. Okay, it is not yet replicated. Before that, we can see what is the material price and what you have given in the PO. That also we can see. So in the PO, how much price you have given. You have given 50 euros. And what is your material master current moving average price? Go to accounting one. See the 250. Okay, current moving average price is 250, but you are creating with 50. Correct. Too much
Yeah.
difference is there. That's why we got that error message. Now you do goods receipt again. It will post successful. Slash and MIGO. Give the PO and all. See, now we have given the PO and all, and just click on check button. See, there is no error message because we have maintained the that tolerance limit. Okay, the tolerance limit, if we have a limits, if we keep, if it is beyond that, then again system will give a warning or error message. That is the solution. I have not done anything. I have just gone to the error message and I have fixed the error. Okay, this GL account is not available. This we can do it. This is another error message. This is each error message you have to take a screenshot of this. Okay, what is this?
Mm.
300000. This is a new error message. This how can you maintain that? Slash and fs00 and give the GL account 300 000. You can just give the company code chart of account INT. Now all the GL accounts will come here. Now give the GL account 300
Mm.
000. Where is the GL account number? 300 300 I think.
One more zero. 30,000. 3 lakhs, sir.
3 lakhs. How many zeros are there?
5 zeros, sir.
5 zeros we are giving, we are not getting. Yeah, this one. This is the GL account we want to create it. Click on copy. Okay, reference. Even we can give that reference also. Let's see this. Give here chart of account INT and then we can copy from there anywhere and give 300 000. Okay, this is the JL account which we suppose we want to create it. Click on copy and for which company code you want to create DS65. DS65 is our company code. Just we have come to the initial screen. Give company code 1000 from where you want to create it and company code 1000 we have given. Now we are going to create it. Give the JL account. Okay, this is the JL account we are going to create now. Click on copy. Okay, reference is 3000 and company code which you want to create DS65. Okay, everything will be copied from 1000. You can control data, everything will be there. Now save it. Okay, this all GL accounts you have to create for your company code, otherwise it won't work. Whatever the GL accounts you have given in what you call OBYC, the same thing we supposed to keep it. Okay, quantity and click on item OK, where the details are there. Now post it. In OBYC, whatever the GL accounts are assigned, see this one also not available. 191100 does not exist, because when you are creating a new company code, we should create all those things. Same again, go to FS00 and first give here company code 1000, because 1000 we will take it as a reference. Then give 191000, right? This is the GRIR clearing account which comes for WRX. Okay.
WR.
Yeah, that GL account is not available for your company code DS65. Okay, just copy. All the entries will be copied from 1000. The same we are going to use. Save it. This is also created. The earlier GL account is BSX, and this 191 is a GRIR. Now it is going to be posted because both the GL accounts are available. And coming to item OK, click on post. One 191100, the GL account. FS 191100, company code 1000, 191100, 191100. We have done 191000. 191100, copy, and DS65, DS65, see, we just create this GL account, GRI clearing account. Click on copy, and company code for which we are going to create DS65. Then all details will be copied from the reference company code. Now we have created both the GL accounts which are missed. Now we are going to do the MIGO. Purchase order is 203, and click on check. Document is okay. Now post it. 192100. Okay. Whatever the GL accounts is supposed to be created, we have to create everything. 192100. I am creating one more. 192100. 192100. Freight clearing account, because there is a freight is also involved here. That's the system has asked for maintaining the freight also, DS65, and now save it. The GL account is also created. Now we will do again MIGO 203, item OK, click on check button and post it. What we have done, there is a WRX GL account which was missing for our company code, BSX GL account which was missing, and also FR1. Whatever the GL accounts are missed for our company code, system has thrown that error message. We have maintained that GL accounts for our company code. That's what we have done. Now we will see the accounting entries, then we will come to know why system has prompted the message for those GL accounts only. Because whatever the GL accounts are involving during this goods movement, system has prompted only those GL accounts are not available for us. See, now I'm going to the document info and then FI documents. Okay, now going to accounting document. Okay, in accounting document, see the BSX stock account gets debit and GRIR gets credit, and also freight clearing account gets credit. I hope you remember, like when you are posting that, system first has prompted this 300 350 GL account is not available for your company code. We have maintained that. Then 191100 GRI clearing account, it is not available. That's why we have maintained that. And then freight clearing account. After we maintained all those GL accounts for our company code, system has posted the document successfully. Means what the GL accounts which you are configuring in OBYC, every GL account we need to create for our company code. We can take the reference of company code 1000 while creating the GL account. How will you maintain? In real time, FI consultant will maintain all the GL accounts which we maintain in OBYC and all his work. In our IDA system, when you are practicing, what we do, go to T030 table and give chart of accounts INT and valuation grouping code 0001 which you have assigned to your company code. Then valuation class, if you remember, you can give not a require. Now you just click on the how many GL accounts are available. See this 208 GL accounts are assigned with INT chart of account and 0001 valuation grouping code. And if you are using any specific valuation class or if you can give, otherwise just execute it. See, whatever the GL accounts are available, all these GL accounts we supposed to maintain for our company code. What I have given, chart of accounts INT and the valuation grouping code 0001. For that, whatever the GL accounts are available, all those GL accounts we need to see. There are 200 entries are there, but the GL accounts are less only. For example, see the 3000 is repeated around 12 times, then 8930 102 times. These all GL accounts we need to maintain it.